Greetings everyone. Here is our title, Renewable Energy Production Analysis. Introducing our members, Barakias Muhyiddin, National John Jonas, Ong Jaisel, Parao Earl Japeth, and Rizaldo Marlon. And our dataset problem is, a city is planning to expand its renewable energy infrastructure. The goal is to analyze the performance of different renewable energy sources and their reliability to inform future investments. Next is data exploration and descriptive statistics. Our dataset structure summary is we have 1,095 entries with the dependent variables of energy production and system downtime, while the independent is day, energy source, weather condition, and maintenance activity. And this is the definition of each variables.
So for the descriptive statistics report, we analyze energy production and system downtime across different energy sources, weather conditions, and maintenance activity. We can see in the report the mean, median, mode, range, variance, and standard deviation of each variable. This is for the hydro energy source, solar energy source, and wind energy source. For weather conditions, we have the cloudy, rainy, sunny, and windy. And this is for the maintenance activity and with no maintenance activity. Lastly, the overall descriptive analysis. The visuals show the histogram of the frequency of energy production and system downtime. This is for the different energy source, for the different weather conditions, for the maintenance activity, and the overall data. In general, different energy sources produce similar amounts of energy, and system downtime is consistent across weather conditions and maintenance activities. These insights help us understand how reliable each energy source is and how maintenance and weather might impact performance. This summary helps us see the energy production and downtime are fairly stable. Whether we're using hydro, solar, or wind energy, and no major changes are needed based on weather or maintenance activities.
Exploratory data analysis. Our analysis examines the correlation between energy production and system downtime across various factors such as energy sources, weather conditions, and maintenance activities. The correlation coefficients indicate very weak relationships with values ranging from negative 0.1 to 0.1. Notably, wind conditions shows a slightly higher correlation, which is 0.11 with downtime, suggesting a minor positive relationship. However, these correlations are largely negligible, implying that other factors may significantly influence the system downtime. The overall dataset plot confirms this weak correlation, showing little to no linear relationship between energy production and downtime. Further investigation is needed to identify significant influencing factors. Next is the hypothesis testing and statistical analysis.
So for the hypothesis testing and statistical analysis, we created 6 hypotheses based on the variables. On the analysis, we tested the 6 hypotheses related to the energy production and system downtime. Across different energy source, activities using the one-way ANOVA, we found out that there is no significant difference in energy production and system downtime between energy source and weather condition and maintaining activities, because all of the p-values is greater than the significance level, which is 0.05. This data suggests that these factors for energy production and system downtime don't have an impact.
So, in summary, conclusions and recommendations. Our analysis indicates that the one-way ANOVA revealed that neither energy production nor system downtime is significantly affected by different energy sources, weather conditions, or maintenance activities. In addition, renewable energy sources such as hydro, solar, and wind perform similarly, with no significant differences in output or reliability. Given these results, we recommend that the city invest in a diversified mix of renewable energy sources to enhance energy security and reliability. Standardized maintenance protocols should be adopted across all energy sources, as maintenance activities were found to have no significant impact. However, it's important to note that the study is limited by the scope of the available data, and future research should aim to address these gaps by expanding data collection and considering a broader range of variables. And in the end, thank you for listening in our review of this data analysis.